What if I told you that glowing skin, fewer wrinkles, stronger nails, and pain-free joints have less to do with expensive creams and more to do with what's on your plate? That's not a marketing slogan. It's based on cutting-edge science. According to Dr. David Sinclair, a genetics professor at Harvard Medical School, aging is not an unstoppable force. It's a condition, and like many conditions, it can be slowed, managed, or even reversed with the right tools. And one of those tools? Collagen. What is collagen, and why should you care? Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It's the glue that holds everything together: your skin, joints, bones, tendons, even your gut lining. But after age 20, your body starts producing 1% less collagen each year. By 40, you might have lost up to 20% of your collagen reserves. What does that look like? Wrinkles, sagging skin, joint stiffness, brittle nails, thinning hair. But here's the good news. You can slow or even reverse that process. Not with injections, not with pills, but with food. The top 6 collagen-rich foods. Backed by science. Let's start with the real stars. 6 powerful, affordable foods that real people have used to change how they age. 1. Gelatin, the collagen underdog. Most people ignore gelatin, but this simple powder, derived from animal connective tissues, is packed with glycine and proline, 2 amino acids vital for building collagen. A 2015 study showed gelatin improves skin elasticity and moisture. But don't just take science's word for it. Ask Barbara, a 67-year-old teacher. She added a teaspoon of gelatin to her tea daily. Her goal? Reduce joint pain. Result? Not only did her knees feel better, her skin looked hydrated and smooth. No serums, no treatments, just food. For best results, choose grass-fed gelatin and stir it into tea, soup, or even homemade gummies. 2. Bone broth. Liquid gold for aging. Bone broth isn't a health trend. It's a centuries-old remedy. When you simmer animal bones with herbs and vinegar, you release collagen, chondroitin sulfate, and hyaluronic acid, a cocktail that keeps joints flexible and skin youthful. Carol, 62, swapped her morning coffee for bone broth twice a week. In 2 months, her stiffness faded, and she felt lighter on her feet. You can make it at home using chicken bones, carrots, onions, herbs, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. Simmer 12+ hours. Strain. Sip. 3. Egg whites. The budget beauty hack. Egg whites contain proline, a building block of collagen's unique triple helix structure. Teresa, 59, was skeptical. How can eggs help with crow's feet? But she added 2 egg whites daily, sometimes in omelets, sometimes in pancakes. 1 month later, her skin was smoother. Lines around her eyes softened. Her makeup sat better. She looked and felt refreshed. Tip: use organic pasture-raised eggs for the most nutrients. Easy, affordable, powerful. 4. Garlic, nature's collagen shield. Garlic isn't just for flavor. It contains sulfur compounds that protect and stabilize collagen in the body. That means fewer breakdowns, more youthful skin. Helen, 65, never bought fancy creams. Instead, she sautéed garlic with greens every day. Result? Her skin glowed. Her hands, despite years of gardening, remained smooth and strong. Her secret? Garlic and spinach, not serums. Use 2-3 cloves daily. Crush them, let them sit 10 minutes, then cook. That's when lysine, garlic's powerful compound, gets activated. 5. Spirulina, the green superfood that works. This blue-green algae is rich in glycine, proline, and copper, a trio essential for collagen production and skin elasticity. Joyce, 61, hated the smell but tried 1 tes daily in her citrus smoothie. In weeks, her hair felt thicker, her nails stopped breaking, her skin looked brighter. Start slow. Just 1/4 tsp. Blend with oranges or pineapple to mask the taste. Look for organic spirulina powder. 6. Pumpkin seeds. Small but mighty pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc. a mineral crucial for forming collagen and healing skin. Nancy, 64, had dry skin and slow healing after workouts. After adding pumpkin seeds to oatmeal, trail mix, and salads, her skin improved dramatically. Just 1/4 cup daily covers half your zinc needs. Roast them with sea salt or sprinkle over meals. They're crunchy, delicious, and skin-loving. Why collagen declines and how to stop it. Aging isn't the only reason we lose collagen. These lifestyle habits make things worse. UV rays, sun damage destroys collagen. Smoking produces free radicals that break it down. Sugar binds to collagen, making it stiff and brittle. Stress increases cortisol, which slows collagen production. Hormone decline, especially estrogen during menopause. So if you want to protect your collagen, fix your diet and your daily habits. Supplements versus food. What really works? Collagen powders are popular, but they're not magic. A 2021 study showed they help only when combined with real food. Why? Because supplements give you collagen, but real food gives you the tools your body needs to use it. Vitamin C, zinc, and copper are critical for turning collagen into skin, joints, and nails. No diet equals no transformation. You can't out-supplement junk food. Real change, it's real food. Dr. Markman from Cleveland Clinic says it best. You can't out-supplement a poor diet. Want real results? Eat leafy greens, eggs, bone broth, and nuts. Cut sugar. Get sunlight, but not too much. Sleep well, and stay consistent. Real story. Helens transformation. Helens, 62, came to the clinic tired, stiff, and self-conscious. She didn't want injections, just results. We built a plan around garlic, bone broth, pumpkin seeds, and low sugar. By month 3, her joint pain eased, her nails grew stronger, and her skin glowed. By month 5, someone at church asked if she had Botox. She laughed. Nope, I just changed how I eat. Final thought. Don't fear aging, shape it. You can't stop time, but you can control how you age. Feed your body what it needs. Support your fibroblast cells, the workers that build collagen. Be consistent. Be mindful, because true beauty doesn't come in a jar. It starts from within.